upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. That's right. We'll be comparing the ATTOP drone and the Loiley drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. On the left, we have the ATTOP drone, priced at $99. And on the right, we have the Loiley drone, also at $99. Both drones cost the same, so no clear winner here in terms of price. However, reviewers suggest that you get what you pay for with both products, making them both equally appealing budget options. Now, let's talk about cameras. The ATTOP drone boasts a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers love the high-quality images and wide field of view it offers. On the other hand, the Loiley drone features a 1080p HD camera that can adjust up to 90 degrees. While it's not as high-res as the ATTOP, users appreciate its adjustability. If capturing every detail is your goal, the ATTOP might be your best bet. But if you prefer a more flexible camera angle, the Loiley could be the way to go. Time for some fun. The ATTOP drone can follow a route you draw on the app, respond to voice commands, and recognize gestures. Reviewers love the gesture control feature for instant selfies. The Loiley drone also has voice control and gesture selfies, plus it lets you add music and filters. Users particularly enjoy the ability to customize their videos with music and filters, making it a hit for creative flyers. When it comes to ease of use, both drones have one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and emergency stop. The ATTOP drone adds a one-key return feature, which reviewers find very useful for bringing the drone back safely. Meanwhile, Loiley's headless mode ensures you never have to worry about which way your drone is facing, which users appreciate for its simplicity. Both drones are user-friendly, but the ATTOP's one-key return gives it a slight edge in ease of use. Battery life. The bane of every drone enthusiast. The ATTOP drone offers about 20 minutes of flight time with its two batteries, which some reviewers find limiting. The Loiley drone, however, provides 25 to 30 minutes of airtime, which users find more satisfactory. Additionally, Loiley's remote controller has a low battery warning, a feature that reviewers appreciate for preventing unexpected landings. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, making them perfect travel buddies. The ATTOP drone is great for teen boys and girls, whereas the Loiley drone is compact enough to fit in your pocket, which users find very convenient. Safety-wise, both drones have propeller guards and emergency stop features. Reviewers note that these features are particularly useful for beginners. Finally, support and extras. The ATTOP drone has a built-in G sensor compatible with VR glasses, which reviewers say offers an immersive experience. On the other hand, the Loiley drone comes with 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back services. Users appreciate the peace of mind that comes with Loiley's customer service and warranty options. Overall, both the ATTOP and Loiley drones have received positive reviews, with users highlighting different strengths for each. The ATTOP drone is praised for its high-resolution camera and interactive features, while the Loiley drone is noted for its extended battery life and reliable customer support. Both drones are seen as excellent options for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone and the Loiley drone, both packed with features and ready to take to the skies. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next Smart Buy comparison. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.